What is good, YouTube? Man, it's been a minute. It's been a long time. I just want to say, first and foremost, what's good? It's been a long time. That's what I wanted to say, man. It's been a long time, y'all, for real. Like, if y'all go look at my last channel, man, my channel needs some editing and all that shit. But I plan on coming back harder and stronger than ever. So, y'all smash that like button. Y'all smash that subscribe button. And let's tap in with the D.I.Y. I'm doing the True Religion right here. The Ricky Slim Fit jeans, the black pair. And then I'm just adding my own little Elon twist to it. You know, Elon is my clothing brand. I actually done a couple drops with my clothing brand. So I just wanted to, do an imaginary Elon slash Chewy collab. So this is that. I drew up my design on paper. And then I just thought about placement, like where I wanted it to be and where I'm going to put it at, So I drew it up on paper and I just looked at the pens for a little bit. Ended up thinking I had a white marker, but I ended up using the bleach and just a paintbrush. Taking my time, making sure it don't bleed through. I had a drone on it with that's soap right there. But before that, I was using pen, and I forgot that, when I was in Hawaii, I first started using it. This old lady, she taught me, shout out to, dang, I forgot her name, man. That's cold. Nah, but shout out to her, yeah. She definitely taught me a lot of tricks in the trade, so. Yeah, I'm back in the sewing game, man. I miss it for sure. I'm going to get my sewing machine out here, but this is DIY on a budget, y'all. So right here, I'm just distressing it. I'm using the scissors. You could use a cheese grater. You could use sandpaper. You could use scissors. You could use a Dremel. A Dremel is probably the best way. That's what I would say. I'll just go with the Dremel way, but, this is DIY right here. I don't got no tools like that, so I just wanted to make my trees look fly. You feel me? So, yeah, that's really all it is, but... I'm just distressing right here, and then under that patch, I was going to use a blue patch, but I ended up putting an atom from my hoodie. I'm going to show y'all the hoodie at the end of the video, and then I try to do, like, the atom shape going over the hoodie. Like, y'all will see it. Try to make it like an atom. Y'all let me know what y'all think, man. Let me know what y'all think. Let me know what pair of designer y'all like, what pair of designer denims y'all like the best. I know some people like Amiri. Some people like Gucci, some people, you know what I'm saying? Just let me know what y'all denims is, I really prefer, like, just a simple pair of Levi's and, I like Hollister jeans, but, yeah, y'all let me know what y'all's is, And I like the Elon brand, too. When Elon gets his own tags and all that, that's going to be official, but definitely just keeping it real. The truly so solid, but right there, I was just adding a white marker around the star just to brighten it up, and then I ended up going over that with bleach, so... I give it like a double look, but yeah, right here, just thread and needle, y'all. I'm just getting it in, thread and needle. You know what I'm saying? This is on a budget. You could go to Walmart and get you a little sewing kit for $10 and the fabric glue $6. That's $16. Well, you know what I'm saying? Go to the thrift store and get you some pants and get to it, y'all. That's how they came out. I think they came out fly, in my opinion. They came out hard. I don't know. I put no bad intentions under that patch right there that I just showed y'all. And see, that's the shape of the atom. Under the atom, try to do the atom on the atom. That one right there. Yeah, I think they came out dope, though, personally, if you ask me. I got another pair that I'm doing right now. And I think the thing with pants is, sewing and DIY stuff is just being creative. It's just dope just to be creative and see where it could take you. So, yeah, I like the little hooks on the back. I like how they came out. And also, I did a wash test for y'all, too. So, I already knew that y'all was going to be in the comments talking about, but... Are they going to be able to wash them? Can you wash them? So I did a wash test for y'all. I put them in the wash. And then took them out the wash. Yeah. So I'm going to do that a gang of times. I did this with a couple pair of pants. So I'm not trying to boast, but I've done the pants like this a couple times. So they stay solid, man. I got someone who got pants from 2019 with the same patches on them. And it was done the same way. Although I did sew with a back sew on those patches. On this patch, like that one, I didn't do a back sew. I just did just the way it looks. But on the pants that I did in 2019, I did a back sew. If you know what that is, tap in with a like. You know what I'm saying? Tap in with a like. You already got the experience. So, but if you guys want the how-to on how to sew, I'll show you that. Drop a comment. If you guys want the how-to on how to sew with your hand, drop a comment. I'll show you that. It's really easy. How to thread a needle, all that. Some people do it different ways. There's a gang of different ways, but yeah. Yeah, but y'all smash that like button, man. Sorry for the bad audio. Smash the like button, comment, subscribe. Thank y'all.